Hello, my name is Jason and I'm a Senior Solutions Engineer here at Super.AI. My objective here today is to give you a brief overview of how we use AI for nameplate data extraction in the visual inspection space. Here at Super.AI, our objective is to use structured data to resolve mundane tasks that will allow you to work on what really matters in your business. Now let's review the nameplate data extraction use case so you can better understand how we can solve real-world problems in the testing, inspection, and certification space. What I'm showing you now is the data point we will be focusing on today. This is a nameplate from a piece of equipment in a retail store. I deliberately chose a slightly out of focus and angled data point to show you just how well we can extract data. The problem we're going to be resolving today is instead of having a human inspect each nameplate and digitizing that information manually, we can use AI in our platform to automatically do this for us. Let's walk through the steps of what this may look like. I have now navigated to our OCR data extraction program, which is a perfect fit for this task. As you can see, we have a few data points uploaded here, but only one of them is in the ready to label status. I'm going to walk through the process of how our train labelers add structure to these nameplates to enable our AI to do so automatically. The first thing I would like to highlight is how the platform was able to create bounding boxes around all of the individual text. Looking at the bottom right of the screen here, you can see that these are currently classified as candidate entities. What this means is although we can already extract the text from this image, we need to assign these words or groups of words to a class so that we can teach the AI how to read these automatically. So for the purpose of this demonstration, I'm not going to go ahead and label the whole image. We'll just focus on model number and serial number for now. So let's go ahead and select some of these candidate entities and assign them to model number and their corresponding class. And then we'll do the same for serial number now. As you can see here on the bottom right, we can see that we've selected those entities and they're corresponding to a class. Let's go ahead and submit this data point now and see what we're returned. And as you can see, now that we've submitted this data point to be processed and we've assigned classes to those candidate entities, the only entities that were read off of this tag correspond with the classes we selected. So we can go ahead and actually review that the data is indeed correct. So the model number and then the number there. And the same is true for the serial number as well. If for some reason the OCR was incorrect, you can actually come in here and create an edit if you'd like to. And so once we confirm that all the information is as we want it, we can actually go ahead and submit that data point to become ground truth. The idea being, of course, is that once we have enough of these structured data points, this becomes a completely automatic process. Here at Super.AI, our goal is not to replace humans in your workforce, but to enable them to work on what's really important by automating mundane tasks. Automating these types of tasks can dramatically reduce operational costs, some customers experiencing 97% cost reduction, all while setting new standards for quality within your organization. We're excited to bring our technology to the TIC space and look forward to understanding your needs and putting together a tailored demonstration.